everybody. I'm Melvin Talley. I'm Talley's mobile mechanic. I'm heading over to a client's house right now. They're having some issues with a vehicle. Back on this Monte Carlo. I've done checked everything that would be related to the issue it's having. Popped the fuel supply line off and figured out that there's water in their fuel. They got some bad gas somewhere. So I'm gonna get over there, get all the bad gas out of the tank, clean it all out, flush it all out. Got some fresh 93 back here in the truck. Gotta pop that in there, feed everything through the lines, get up to the fuel rails a couple times for me, and just verify that it's completely out of these fuel rails. Bump it for me. One more time. One more time. All right, that should do it. That should clear everything out. It's ran through the fuel lines to the tank, to the pump, to the rails, through the rails to the return, and I just make sure it backed out of the return. Instead of it going to the tank, it came out of the system. All right, buddy, go ahead and try to crank it up for me. I think just these two top two. Yeah. You can see them moving right here. They're broke right there. And this one right here, they broke right there.
I'm gonna hug her. For the work.
You're amazing.
Yes, this is really amazing. We really needed it.
No, I'm not worried. Like I said, I did my job, man. All right, everybody. Make sure y'all have summed up everything on that one. Got him back up and running. Hopefully, he'll bring it back. He's supposed to. We got him scheduled to come back over here. I'm gonna throw some motor mounts on for him and do a tune-up for him. Get it running, get a little better than what it is. It's running good. Just little things that can change up on it to make it run even better. Dependable little car, like I said. Ran great when I got all that flushed and everything out and got that 93 in there, and I actually put some gas treatment in there too. And I ran like a
that's
kitten.
pretty much it for the day. That's it for the video. If you could like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.